If you have ever hauled all your groceries from the car to the kitchen in one grip, or dragged a heavy suitcase across an airport, congratulations. You have basically done a farmer walk without knowing it. Most people expect only one benefit, the bigger firearms and stronger grip strength. But the truth is, it changes far more than you think, and the procedure is simple, just picking up heavy weights in each hand and walking a set distance. Let's throw a light on what changes it brings in your body. The grip strength. The first thing it changes is your grip. A weak grip is certainly something you want to fix before you start taking deadlifts or other strength training techniques seriously. If you don't focus on your grip, then you will never be able to reach your maximum potential with free weights or even in sports. Luckily for you, the extensive list of farmer's walk includes improved grip strength. It straightens your grip by working your wrists, hands, forearms, shoulders, and back in unison, as all of these muscles can have an impact and support grip strength when they are properly trained. After just a week, I found myself effortlessly opening jars that once gave me trouble. The improvement of posture. When many of us are sat in desk jobs for 8+ hours per day, it's no wonder that we develop bad habits in terms of our lifestyle and how we treat our body. Bad posture is an issue that we see creeping into many people's lives, yet also something that can be rectified with proper exercise habits. Enter the farmer's walk. The farmer's walk benefits your posture by increasing your awareness of your muscles and body in general and forcing you to think about your form. As well as this, it creates stability and eradicates imbalances in the body, especially if two weights are used at a time, which leads to better posture by default. If you're struggling with bad posture, you should give yourself the chance to feel the farmer's walk benefits. Reduce the chance of injury. If you think about it logically, the farmer's walk with lighter weights perhaps is actually quite a natural movement for our bodies. We were made with the ability to carry objects manually from one place to another, more so than we were to lift and hold them over our heads. When you start small and work your way up, the chances of injury are slim if you keep proper form and focus on what you're doing. While there's a risk with every exercise, one of the farmer's walk benefits is that it's less likely to injure you in comparison to the more strenuous weightlifting movements. Encourages fat loss. Fat loss is always an added bonus when it comes to discovering new exercises, whether you're a bodybuilder, powerlifter, or brand new to fitness. Shedding excess fat is likely one of the farmer's walk benefits you'll want to take advantage of. The farmer's walk is good for fat loss as it's a high-impact exercise. You carry a heavy weight, which makes it impossible for you to slack off during the exercise. Your muscles will work overtime and subsequently melt extra fat. It's a full-body exercise. Your entire body is put under strain, making it an intense and calorie-destroying workout, as well as building muscle mass in all areas. It requires constant effort and focus. Usually, farmer's walks are performed in around 60 seconds or over, which is certainly an intense burst of activity for the entire body and works wonders for burning fat and speeding up the metabolism. It'll certainly get your heart pumping and is a high-intensity cardio workout. Boosts athleticism. Athleticism includes general fitness levels, agility, and strength amongst other elements. If you're into sports or want to get fitter for everyday situations, you should definitely focus on this as it is one of the main farmer's walk benefits. Fine-tuning your focus, coordination, mental endurance, balance, etc. will give you all the characteristics of a powerful athlete, and you'll be conditioned for whatever life throws at you, be it an intense sports game or chasing the neighbor's dog when it escapes. Enhances power and strength. It's so true that building a strong core is important to excel in every exercise or activity out there. Without good core strength, which is thankfully brought to you as one of the long-term farmer's walk benefits, you limit both your power and overall strength. Not only will the farmer's walk build strength in your core and subsequently boost your power and strength altogether, it will also enhance this in all other areas of the body. Because your core will provide a better base for the rest of your body when it is strengthened, it means that you will be able to better engage the rest of your muscles in the correct way. They'll grow tougher as a result of this, especially as you progressively overload them whilst your body adapts to the exercise. If you found this tip useful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more simple yet powerful exercises to build real strength.